Hello, today I will show you how to reset or recover the password or username of your WordPress website. So I'm going to WordPress login page first, domain name, admin. Okay, this is the WordPress login page. So first I will show you how to reset the password. There are multiple ways to reset the password or recover the username. But in this video, I will show you only 3 ways. First, you should ask to your website administrator to reset or recover your password or username, or the other administrative user, WordPress administrative user. If you have any, you should ask them to help you with that. Second option is go to the WordPress login page where currently I am, and then follow this method. Click lost password, and if you remember the username, you can use that username here, or you can use the email address. This way, you can do both. You can do for both to recover the username or reset the password. I'm showing you how. Click on Get New Password. It will send an email to the email address what I am using there. That email address should have registered with this website, otherwise you cannot recover. So I'm going to the email. This is the email, password reset. And you see there is the username also. So we got the username from here, okay? And for password, we need to visit this link. This is the temporary password, or I can use any password what I like. Yeah. Password. This password is weak, so I can click here to use this password and click Save Password. Password has been reset. Now I'm going to log in to the WordPress. I'm using admin as my username is admin, and using the password login. It's working. Okay. Now I'm going to show you another method that is from you can reset or recover your username from your cpanel. If you don't have any idea what is cpanel, I have a video in my YouTube channel. You can watch this video to get idea about cpanel. Anyway, this is our cpanel landing page. Now I need to go to database section and then phpMyAdmin. This is the database of our website. You may see there are multiple database. It's depends how many database currently in your cpanel. In our phpMyAdmin, there is only one database. I'm clicking here. After that, I need to go here. WP users. There is only one user. This is the user admin. This is the email address. Now I need to. I got the username from here. Now to reset the password, I need to click here and find the password. This is the password. Okay. Now I need to select MD5, and I'm using a different password here. MD5. After selecting MD5, remove this and use this password. Make sure there is no space or any other things. Okay. After that, click on Go. Okay. Password has been reset. Now I'm going to log in again. Login page. Admin. This is the new password. It's working. But warning, please work in database carefully. If you do any mistake, you may lose your WordPress website. Okay? So please work here very carefully. By the way, I'll show you another option. If your control panel has the application to install WordPress like Subtaculas, then you may take help from here to reset your password or recover your username. Just click here, and then after clicking here, you will land this page, and then you need to go to WordPress Manager from top bar. You see your install WordPress website here. There is an option. Click to the login. Let me sign out first. Log out. Okay. Click on login. It's logging to your WordPress admin automatically. You don't need your username. You don't need your password. It will login here automatically. Okay. And then you can reset your admin password from here as well. Just to go to admin, or from sidebar user, all user, click edit and new password, set new password. Okay, 200987. Okay, I'm using this new password. Confirm use of weak password. Update profile. Done. I'm logging out and trying to log in again using this new password. It's working. I hope now you are able to reset your WordPress password or recover the username. If you have any question, please write down that in comment. If you need any help with web design or digital marketing, you can send me email or visit my website. Go to contact us and contact me. You can subscribe my page, YouTube channel. So in future, when I will upload any video that related to digital marketing or a small business digital marketing, you will get notification, and I hope it will help for your business. Thanks for watching.